In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up online banking with Lili. Whether you're a freelancer, an entrepreneur, or simply looking for a smart banking solution, Lili has got you covered. Let's dive into this easy step-by-step guide to get you started with setting up your online banking. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Lili website. So open up your preferred web browser and type in lili.to. With Lili's user-friendly site, you'll find it easy to navigate. Once you've landed on the homepage, look for the button that says Get Started and click on it. This is where the journey to setting up your account begins. Next up is creating your account. You'll need to provide some personal information to get started. Enter your name, email, phone number, social security number, and date of birth. Don't forget your US address too. It's crucial to input accurate details here as they'll be used to verify your identity later on. You'll also be setting a secure password during this step. Remember, a strong password is key to keeping your account safe, so make sure it's something only you will remember and hard for others to guess. Moving swiftly along, it's time to verify your identity. This step is crucial in ensuring your account's security. You will be required to upload a government-issued ID. Lili accepts either a driver's license or a passport, so have one of these documents ready. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to upload a clear, readable image of your ID. Now that your identity is verified, it's time to add your business details. Enter your business name, type, address, and employer identification number, often referred to as the EIN. This information helps tailor your banking experience to support your business operations. Finally, you're ready to activate your online banking. To do this, log into your brand new Lili account with the username and password you created earlier. Keep an eye on your email or phone as you'll receive verification codes that you'll need to enter. This additional security measure ensures that your account stays protected. And there you have it. With your online banking now activated, you're ready to explore all the modern financial tools and services Lili offers. From managing your finances better to working more efficiently, Lili is designed to make your banking experience seamless and productive. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you've got any questions or run into any hiccups, don't hesitate to reach out to Lili's customer support. Thank you for watching, and happy banking with Lili.